You search for how to buy shares of Fat Brands Inc., a franchisor of fast, casual, and quick-service restaurant brands that trades on NASDAQ under the ticker FATBB. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy FATBB, you need a brokerage account. This example uses eToro to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before making a purchase. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker FATBB to locate the company listing. Select the matching Fat Brands Inc. result to open its official asset page. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm it is Fat Brands Inc. Double-check that the listing is on NASDAQ and shows the ticker FATBB before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, and review the order details, including order type and estimated execution, before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or set for opening execution, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the trade can be placed. After the order executes, the position will appear in your portfolio with current holdings and value. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps shown in this video.